This video tutorial is going to be about the activity library. You can find the link here underneath the cover of the textbook on your tile. You also can find it in any pages like your gradebook page, your assignment page, and your report page. So we're going to go ahead and click on the activity library button now. The activity library link allows you to view all data and video activities in a collected location. The activities are grouped by chapter and in the order they are presented in the textbook. So as you will see, you're going to see the video activity 1.1, video activity 1.2, and then the data activity here. You can use the drop-down menus, so you can filter by type. You can do data altogether, and then you can also do the videos altogether. You can also jump to a particular chapter using those pull-down menus. I'm going to go ahead and go up, and then do filter by all type. You can also view the video in context of the textbook by going to the Go To section. It's going to bring you right to that area in the textbook. So let's just click on a video activity here. We're going to go to the section, and now you can see if you had put a due date in here, the students will see the due date along with over here as well. But this is where it's located in the textbook. There's a knowledge check right underneath it, and if you scroll above, you'll see the context of the textbook. Where the students can read. Now we're going to go all the way back to the tile again. If we go and we click on the activity library again, I also use this. I think this is a great tool as an instructor to utilize this when you're planning your course, because you can come in here and decide if you're doing a face-to-face, you might want to do one video in class, and you might want to give one video for homework. The same thing with a data activity. So you can preview everything here and plan your course. It's a great tool for an instructor to utilize. Is the activity library. Thank you for joining us, and have a good day.